Now, the trends one has to see in how, as a student, I can grow. This is a topic. This is, you can see on a street. This is something about the student membership and all that, and one can see the many buildings there. Typically, cities, big cities, mega cities like Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, many, Calcutta, Chandigarh. It is endless. And US cities, San Francisco, New York, London, Tokyo, and all that. Typically, how, as a student, when you are just coming out of the college and you can connect with the entire world and have the best knowledge sharing pattern where we can show. So, when your growth, you have done already graduation while going to the this PG level, MTech level, and one can see uh, now you have to move to the entire connectives, and there are many associations. I am talking of typical about the engineering association called ASHRAE, American Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers. We are engineers and an association. In India, air conditioning means cooling because our atmospheric or ambient temperature is always above 25 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. In some many times in summer, a place like Sangli, Pune, and all that, we get a temperature of plus 40 degrees centigrade because the main reason earlier Sangli, Pune were the very coolest cities. Big river is there, rivers are there, and lot of greenery was there. But due to urbanization, high-rise buildings, roads, many projects are coming. We are tending towards the concrete jungles and greenery is being lost. So natural heat is being generated in the city. The temperature has gone up. So our temperature is in the summer peak days, it is above 40 degrees centigrade. Now, outside the India or our typical position in the hemisphere, northern hemisphere, we see we are near equatorial, na? विषुववृत्ताजवळ आहे आपण. So many countries in advanced countries like US, Europe, Russia, Japan, China, Australia, they are either northern or southern hemisphere, but they are away from the equator. So the ambient temperature is many times is around 10 degrees centigrade, 20 degrees centigrade, 15 degrees centigrade. So below the what we think as a, so their heating is required. So if you see, it is a heating, refrigerating, and air conditioning. If the air is very chilled one, 10 degrees of centigrade, the ambient, so we require heat needs to be uh, heated. And like India, heat is more outside, ambient temperature like 40 degrees, we have to cool it. So it is air conditioning means heating, refrigerating means cooling, air conditioning, air has to be conditioned, dryness, speed, and flow. These are to be adjusted, and temperature, humidity, and smell and all that filtered. So this is a association of engineers, American Society of Heating Engineers. What are the benefits of this membership to you? If you become a student member of this association, which has got more than 60,000 members worldwide, full members, and even thousands of student members, you get what is just happening in our field at present in US as well as advanced countries, which are the projects, which are the buildings going on. So you get connected with them. And which are the benefits and all that, we'll go through the things, and what are the facilities, are the scholarships are there, are the project fundings are there, we will see how this can add us or give us a mega tool to encash or add on our tools to grow our career. Mission is very clear to advance the arts and science of heating, ventilating, air conditioning, refrigerating to serve the humanity and promote sustainable world. See the world wording. It is science also because engineering technology is science and it is arts how to do artistic way. Some beauty is also there, piping, because building and enclosures. Arts means who gives the building interior and all that? It is the architect. So in that artistic view is there. So all these things are very important. Then it is about heating, ventilating, air conditioning, and refrigerating. All these things are together. To whom? We all humans, that is humanity. And to promote the sustainable world. As you have seen, all compressors, all the drivers, these machine drivers, we can see they drive with the electricity. They are driven by the electricity and they consume lot of electricity. So we should not load the world. So we have to make it sustainable. So this is a mission. Now what is the vision? ASHRAE will be a global leader for the or foremost source of the technical information. As students or engineering college, we must have maximum information, more information on that. And the primary provider of the opportunity for the professional science of heating, ventilating, and air conditioning and refrigerating. This is a vision and mission statement. As you know, this is our goal. Next, why one should join air conditioning or ASHRAE? ASHRAE one can learn, or if one has interest in a comfort conditioning. What is air conditioning gives us comfort? It relates to the environment issues. Now we have seen there are big G8 nations are meeting, G20 things are meeting worldwide. Our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi, many presidents of the countries like USA, uh, England, they are coming, prime ministers, all that, and discussing their environmental issues. The basic thing you can see, the world ambient temperature is growing. It is said that after 30 or 50 years, many big cities like Mumbai, they will be drowned because water levels of the sea will come up by 1 meter or 2 meters like that. So this is due to the temperature or climate change, as you have said. So many things are coming. Increase the green concepts are coming. Green buildings are coming. Reduce the carbon footprint things are coming. So climate change compels all that. And these are many concerns for each country, including India. And here is the opportunity. Many big multinational companies are coming with huge kind of investments in the projects, and this will give inputs for the projects. Then many jobs or research funding also. Nice. Next is energy conservation. We discussed a typical case study of a 700 tons of plant where we have devised the smart electronic controller. Then if has to study heating, cooling or refrigeration, ASHRAE is the best. ASHRAE, these volumes or handbooks we call as the Bhagavad Gita of air conditioning. Then they move with the standards. Typically how system should be, how machine should be, or each standard is important. And as everybody knows, engineering field is controlled by standards. You know, ISO, ISI and all that. Next interest should be projects having direct impact on the society. Last but one is the design of green and energetic thermal system. What is green system? Can anybody answer? What is green? Green is not painting outside by green paint, but it has to be natural. That is called green. Then if one has to learn about the building systems, or he has to do career about the building systems, then ASHRE is the best. Next one, student member benefits. Once we become a student member, what are the benefits? In the outside world or industry, one must have a networking benefits. What is networking? So we have the same professional people meeting, not like study and all that, but on one-to-one basis or a group basis. So here students can meet industry leaders or seniors also. What is their experience? How their career has been transformed? Which are the way they are coming up? And what are the new challenges and how the career should be led? Leadership development. ASHRE will give basically benefit to the develop the leadership qualities of the student. How that is possible? Normally, each college will have student chapter of ASHRE. I believe there is a ASHRE student chapter. We have started some 10 to 12 years back. And Professor Dr. Gauri, he was a founder, uh, student branch advisor there. I recall I had been there in Walton College when the chapter started. So, and such a chapter, each student can become he can have a position in the organization. Like for chapter, we have to elect a president, then president elect or vice president, who will become a next year president, then secretary, then treasurer. All the activities like a basically in the organization. Then there can be a chairman for the programs committee. You can organize programs, technical events. One can organize factory visits, tour, and in such a way, students can learn how to organize events, how to connect the industry personnel. That way, this gives the leadership qualities, how to lead the team. Then next is the career assistance. So, which is the one has to go for research or one has to go for industry or in which specialization you should work further, which are the further trends over 5 years, 10 years, all this can be shown here. Lot of and typical website is available, career assistance. Discount on certain ASHRE books. ASHRE has generated and they are printing lot of original publications by research, and as a member you get a huge benefits or discounts. Then a lot many conferences. ASHRE carries many conferences annually or winter or seasonal, maybe summer winter like that, biannually, and there we can give students can get a huge conference fees are there. Then concessions are there. Like that, if I go to the ASHRE conference and if I got as a huge personal member, if I got a fees, what it may be, hardly 5% or 10% fees are there. Then scholarships are there. Students will get a scholarship too for higher studies. Some there could be grant for your project grants for the undergraduate equipment project grants like that. Then there are design competitions. This is the outlay, student benefits. Next, now we talk about the student design competition. ASHRE sponsors student design competitions annually. Normally dates are shown, and once you are a member, after filling the appropriate membership forms and dues or fees, you get all these free benefits. Here, competitions guidelines are enable team to design a select HVAC system or of the given building or design sustainable building implementing an integrated building design process. Here we do design a building with the air conditioning HVAC application. Teams may compete in one of the three categories, maybe HVAC system design, system selection, integrated sustainable building design, ISBD, or applied engineering challenges like that. And there should be different price, first, second, third price. Next, Then this is very good use for colleges. Sir, you can remember this. Gauri sir, then Ankush Patil sir and all HVAC people. This is undergraduate equipment plant. Here, college or a professor or somebody can apply for this UPEG, that is undergraduate program equipment grant. Here we can have grants up to $5,000 for our project, which is around now dollar is around 75 rupees. So this could be about 3,75,000. There are about 40 such grants plus 40 grants all over, and in that almost 10 to 15 engineering colleges in India have got this one. Last year, College of Engineering Pune, we are conquering this one. Then one college in Pandharpur, Sweri, they have got that one. And one more in Navi Mumbai, Terla Engineering College, they have got $5,000 continuous 2 years. So Walchand Engineering College can try, sir. Deadline for filling this is a 15 December annual, and website there is a more information. Next one. This undergraduate equipment grant is a more popular and easily accessible. We can our team can guide here. ASHRAE scholarship programs. ASHRAE scholarship programs also serve as an economizer, helping reduce financial burdens of the obtaining your engineering education. If one has to go for masters or research PhD, these scholarships are there. More than 20 scholarships are there, up to from ranging from $1,000 to $10,000. Next, scholarships are awarded on the following academic basis: full-time enrollment, accredited undergraduate engineering technology programs.
बीटेकचे काही आहेत, काही एमटेकचे.
एमटेकचे सगळे काढले
मी सांगितलं
Hello, sir.
काय सगळे पाहिजे.
Hello.
काही इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये हे आहेत.
Any doubt, sir? Patil sir, काही doubt आहे का?
हो, कंपल्सरी मी देंडे सर वगैरे सांगितलं नव्हतं.
सांगितलं सर, देंडे सर यांना भंडार सरांना सांगितलं.
Hello, sir.
येस सर.
काही डाऊट आहे का?
नाही ते सर दुसऱ्या सरांसोबत बोलत होतो.
ठीक आहे. So various processes of the scholarships are given. Financial need, leadership, all things are there. Very crystal clear things are there. Next one. Many discounts on the publications. A lot of publications are there. Next one. Web resources also available. Student membership meetings are there. Student branches are there. We can meet together. There can be meetings of the various chapters from Pune, Mumbai, Sangli, Kolhapur, like that we can meet. There can be competitions. Career resources available on the website. Scholarships, grants and design projects are there. K-12 program is there. College resources. Student activities, news, awards are there. Next one. What is the fee? All these fees are, say it was a few years back, 3 years back, it was $21. I think now it is increased by $4. It is a $25. So in dollars for Indian things, dollar being 75 rupees, it is a bit costly affair. But if college gets the assistance to the students, so it is hardly 1,800 rupees. And for developing economic like India, it is hardly $15 only, so 1,200 rupees. So student will get a lot many benefits out of this one, which I can convince everybody. We require about 10 students to continue the chapter. And Patil sir, Ankush Patil sir,
Yes, sir.
if a professor like you become a student member advisor, you get the same fees of $15, that is 1,200 rupees. Otherwise, a person like me, I require about $230 of this one membership fee, which is above 19,000 rupees. So this is a cheaper model. We should get the benefit, I believe, and your benefits and career happenings or heights you reach is a much more. Next one. So these are staff contacts. Miss Katie Thompson in US, assistant manager, she helps for all queries. Yeah. So these are the different things I have shown. Basically, if you wants to continue in the career, one has to drive with the what is basically different things we have to do in the energy saving, maybe environment, and a lot of many things. One typical model of the energy saving I have shown you in a building, typical building.